We have question 13 here. What are the lengths of the sides of this kite? Give your answer to the nearest hundreds. We know that these are the diagonals, and for a kite, the diagonals do intersect here at 90 degrees. Okay, from there we can get the third side by just simply using Pythagorean theorem. So we can write here 3 squared plus 4 squared is going to be equal to line BC squared. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, is equal to BC squared. 9 plus 16 is 25, is equal to BC squared. We square root both sides, so the square root of 25 is equal to line BC. This is 5 is equal to BC. We know that this is 5. Since this is 5, we know that this is also 5 because line BC here is congruent to line DC for the kite. So let's find the other one here. We know 2 squared plus 3 squared is going to be equal to line AB squared. We have 4 plus 9 is equal to AB squared. This is 13 is equal to AB squared. Square root both sides. Square root of 13 is equal to AB. So we can say that this AB is square root 13. You could plug it into your calculator and round it to the nearest hundreds. And this is also square root 13 as well. Let's look at now B. Same process here. We know that line EF is congruent to line EF. FG is congruent to line FE. Line EH is congruent to line GH. Okay, so let's write it. 4 squared plus 5 squared is equal to FG squared. 16 plus 25 is equal to FG squared. 16 plus 25, we can just plug that into the calculator. That gets you 41 is equal to FG squared. Square root of 41 is equal to FG. So we can say that this is square root 41, and this is also square root 41. Then next we have 5 squared plus 7 squared is equal to EH squared. This is 25 plus 49 is equal to EH squared. Okay, you have 25 plus 49 is equal to 74 is equal to EH squared. Square root both sides, you get square root 74 is equal to EH. So this is square root 74. This is also the square root of 74. Then let's look at C. We know that line JK is congruent to line JM. Line KL is congruent to line LM. All right. So we have 8 squared plus 12 squared is equal to C squared. 8 squared, it is 16 plus, no, not 16, 64. 64 plus 144 is equal to, not C squared, JK. Okay, that's 8 and 12, yeah. So this is JK squared. All right. So we have 64 plus 144 is equal to 208 is equal to JK squared. Square root both sides. You get the square root of 208 as JK. 208. And this is square root 208. All right, let's get the other one. We have 5 squared plus 8 squared is going to be equal to LM squared. 5 squared is 25. 8 squared is 64 is equal to LM squared. This becomes 89 is equal to LM squared. Square root both sides. You get LM is equal to square root 89. So there you go. That is how you find the side lengths of a given kite.